Children, in this video we are going to learn about structure of carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide means CO2. One carbon having two oxygen is present. So regarding structure, we can say this as the stablest structure. Consider as a stable structure. Here two sigma bond present and two pi bond present. Since a double bond, one pi sigma bond, pi bond, one sigma bond, one pi bond. So totally two sigma bond, two pi bond present. Here carbon is sp hybridized, oxygen is sp2 hybridized. Structure is said to be linear. Linear means it is a straight lined structure. So it is a polar molecule. Carbon dioxide is a polar molecule, so having dipole moment. If it is a polar molecule, it should have a dipole moment. But here dipole moment is considered as 0. Why means both the sides are equal. Carbon double bond O, carbon double bond O, both the sides are equal. So net dipole moment get cancelled, so getting 0. So this structure, why it is stable? One more explanation. No separation of charges. Both are equal. So this is the structure. It is what it is given in the book. How can we write? It is given in the book. So the stablest structure is C double bond O, double bond O, having two lone pair oxygen, two lone pair. Now one pair moving inside, another bond moving outside. So resonance structures or canonical structures, this pair moving inside, so oxygen, only one pair present. Since this pair moving inside, triple bond. Carbon, one bond moving outside, so only one bond present here, oxygen having three lone pairs outside. This is one of the structure. Other structure, just we can write it opposite. See this side, triple bond O, only one lone pair, and this side single bond O, three lone pair, three lone pairs. Now the charges, minus, plus, here no charge, here there is plus minus. How it is formed, that we can see using formal charges. So this is structure 1, structure 2, structure 3. This is not given in the book, but extra I am teaching. So structure 1. Now take oxygen. Formula already you know. Lone pair of valence electrons minus lone pair of electrons minus bonding pair by 2. Bonding pair by 2, or we can simply write the bond. So oxygen, this oxygen, 6 valence electrons, 6 lone pair, bond pair 2 by 2, 6 minus 6 0, minus 2 by 2 is 1 is equal to minus 1. That is why minus charge here, minus. For carbon, valence electrons 4, lone pair no, none of the electron present here. Bond pair, here 1, here 3. So 8 by 2. So 4 minus 8 by 2, 4 equal to 0. So no charge. Taking this oxygen, valence electron 6, lone pair 2, bond pair 3. So 6 by 2. 6 minus 2, 4, minus 6 by 2, 3 equal to 1. So only plus charge. Is it okay, children? Now I think you could have understood. Now this oxygen, Valence electron 6, lone pair 2 plus 2 4 minus bond pair 4 by 2. So 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So only no charge. Carbon, valence electron 4, lone pair no, 0, minus bond pair 2 plus 2 4, that is 8 by 2. So 4 minus 4 equal to 0. That is only no charge. Similarly, this oxygen, lone pair 6 minus, valence electron 6 minus, lone pair 4 minus, bond pair 2. So 4 by 2. 6 minus 4, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Third structure, this oxygen, valence electron 6, 1 lone pair, that is 2 minus 3 bond, that is 6 by 2, that is 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So only plus charge. Taking carbon 4, valence electron minus 0, no lone pair, minus bonding pair, here 3 bond, here 1 bond. So totally 8 electrons, 8 by 2, 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So only no charge. This oxygen, 6 valence electron, lone pair 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus only 1 bond, 2 by 2, that is 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. That is only minus charge. Children, are you all clear? I think I have to go through. It is given clearly in the book, page number 45. Both the structures are very important. Structure of carbon monoxide, structure of carbon dioxide. Anyone will be asked for the exam.